This is the Rolls Royce Rose Noire Droptail, the most expensive new car in the world. $30 million for one car, just one made, one owner, zero compromises, built entirely by hand. Inspired by the rare black Baccarat rose, over 1,600 pieces of wood, cut and placed by a single artisan. The paint, a deep red black that shifts in light. The roux carbon fiber. It took 4 years to build. Inside, it's pure art. A built-in Audemars Piguet watch on the dash. Custom crystal champagne glasses. Matching chest with chilled compartments. Every surface, every detail, tailored for one billionaire client. Don't let the elegance fool you. It packs a 6.75-liter V12 engine, around 600 horsepower. Quiet, smooth, powerful, but performance isn't the point. Presence is. Who owns it? Rolls-Royce won't say. Rumors say a French billionaire family tied to fashion and wine. They didn't buy a car, they commissioned a one-of-one masterpiece. So why $30 million? Because it's Coachbuilt, nothing pre-made. Every screw, every stitch, every panel built from zero. It's a symbol, a status piece, a moving sculpture no one else can copy. It won't race, it won't go off-road, but it will turn heads, break necks, and never be forgotten. This isn't transport, it's a legacy. You spend $30 million on this Rolls-Royce. Drop your thoughts in the comments, like, subscribe, and buckle up for more rare car stories, only here.